why we want these movement together. For example, whenever we want to while welding for this component, and at the same time we want to while welding this component, we want to weld all of the in specific directions. So we will utilize this system together. This simultaneously movement of these motors together. We will need this movement together. And if I'm going to talk about and at the same time we have utilized, as we see here, we have utilized the sensor in order to make the movement to be, for example, here, the system is stopped. Yes. And we have utilized high level and low level switch, limit switch. These are sensors. These are as the signals for the PLC. For example, here by pushing this sensor and